Good morning, students. Welcome to your computer class. Our chapter is My Machine, My Friend. We already discussed in the previous class about the uses of computer and how computer used in different fields. For an example, in home, at school, in communication, computer in banks, transport, medicine, agriculture, so on. So we already discussed about the hardware devices and types of hardware devices. So we discuss about input devices as well. So we are going to discuss about the output devices here. Sorry, I forgot that. We discussed it only two input devices, keyboard and mouse. So we are going to discuss about the scanner here. Have a look here. These are the scanner devices. This is the scanner. And scanner, what is scanner? Scanner is an input device used to store pictures or photograph directly into the computer. So it means scanner help us to store data directly into the computer, or store pictures also, or text also. It works like a photocopier machine. It works like a photocopier machine. And second one is, the next is microphone records our voice also. Next is joystick and gamepad. You can see here in this picture also, this is joystick and this is gamepad. So what is joystick? Joystick is mainly used to play games on the computer. Both are used to play games on the computer. Next is, we discuss about input devices. Now we are going to discuss about output devices. Output devices will display the result. Output devices are the devices which show the result produced by the computer, that are called output devices. Here you can see that think and answer. So what is the question here? Can you name any two input devices other than taught in the chapter? So yes, we can. The answer is graphic pad and digital camera. These are also an input device. So here we talk about output device. So what is the first one? Monitor. So what is monitor? It is the most commonly used output device and also known as visual display unit, that is VDU. The output produced on the monitor is called soft copy output. So in this we monitors can show output us in a soft copy. Soft copy means not in a paper. Okay. So print next is printer. It is an other important output device which is used to print output on a paper, that is called printer, which can give output on a paper called printer, and which cannot give output in a paper called monitor, means soft copy. So types of printer, we can see the types of printer here. First one is impact printer, and that is dot matrix. Here you can see the picture also. Second one is non-impact printer, that is laser. Here you can see the picture also. So next one is speakers. What are speakers? Speakers are used to get the audio output from the computer. And next one is, you can see the pictures also here, pictures of speaker. And next one is storage device. Storage devices store well aware, you can well aware by the name also. Storage means store something. So these devices are used to store information permanently inside the computer. So here you can see byte is equals to 0 comma 1. So what is byte? Byte is a unit of storage. If we store some data into a computer, the unit of that data is called byte. So byte is in the form of 0 or 1. This is a machine language which machine can understand. So that's why this is in the form of 0 comma 1. So here also you can say that 1 byte is equals to 8 bits. 1 KB, that is KB is abbreviation of kilobyte. 1 kilobyte is equals to 1024 bytes. 1 MB, where MB is abbreviation of megabyte. Megabyte is equals to 1024 kilobyte. Next one is 1 GB, that is 1 gigabyte is equals to 1024 megabyte. And 1 TB, that is terabyte, 1 terabyte is equals to 1024 gigabyte. These are all the unit of storage. So next is hard disk. Hard disk is a storage device which store permanently fixed inside the computer. We store uh, we store the devices. It can also store a data, and its storage capacity is in the range of 200 gigabyte to 3 terabyte. It can store so much data, and it is a storage device permanently fixed inside the computer. So next one is compact disk. It is an optical storage device which is storage it can store 700 megabytes or more than 700 megabytes. So next one is digital versatile disk, that is DVD. So DVD is an optical storage device with a storage capacity of, it can store 4.7 gigabyte to 17.08 gigabyte, and it reads and writes data faster than a CD. There's a difference between CD and a DVD, that it can read a data faster than CD. So flash drive, what is flash drive? Flash drive, it is an electronic memory device popularly known as pen drive, PD. You can also say that this flash drive is an electronic memory. This is an electronic memory. We can say also pen drive. This is, so it can vary the storage 2 GB to 256 GB. And the last one is Blu-ray disc. Here is the example. Here is the spelling of blue is BLU only. So Blu-ray disc. Correct the spelling also. This is BLU. Blue, RAY ray, and disc. Blu-ray disc. This is newly invented optical data storage device whose storage capacity can be from 25 GB to 200 GB. It can store 25 GB to 200 GB. So this is a summary of the chapter. So first one is the main characteristic of computer are its speed, accuracy, diligence, storage, and versatility. We already discussed about this in the previous class. And the next one is hardware and software are two essential components of computer. If hardware is needed, software is also needed for a computer to work on a computer. Computer is an electronic device which processes the data to produce desired result. So computer is an electronic device which processes the data to produce output. So next one is input, output, storage, and processing devices are the hardware components. So what are the hardware components? First one is IPO, that is IOS, that is input, output, and storage. Next one is physical components of the computer system are called hardware. Physical components of the computer are called hardware, and the example are keyboard, mouse, monitor, etc. The devices which help to enter data and instruction into the computer are called input devices like keyboard, mouse, etc. The devices which display the result, which show the results, are called monitor, and this is also called output devices. The devices like CD, DVD, and Blu-ray disc are the optical storage devices. These are optical storage device: CD, DVD, and Blu-ray disc. Printers are of two types: impact disc and non-impact disc, means dot matrix printer and laser printer. The devices which are used to store the information permanently inside the computer are called storage device, like hard disk, compact disk, etc., which can store the information permanently in the computer are called storage device. For an example, hard disk, compact disk, this is CD. That's it for today. And in the classwork you have to do true or false. True or false you have to do in the classwork, and for homework you have to do fill in the blanks in your fear notebook. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead.